Oh. Oh.
My name is Harry. I just want to make sure that I'm talking to your daughter.
Hello.
This is my door. Can you open this door, please?
Get out of my house.
Open the fucking door.
I remember when I lost my...
Leave my house.
What the fuck?
Hello.
Hi there, can you open this door, please?
For what?
I just want to make sure that everything's okay. There seems to be something going on.
What do you mean?
I don't know, I just figured I'd check on something.
I don't know what you want, man. Get out of my house.
Open this fucking door! Where's your daughter, man? Where's your daughter,
What are
man?
you talking about? Oh.
Where's your daughter? Who's in there with you?
Bro, if you don't
Open this
leave...
fucking door. Open this door. I'm breaking it fucking down. You understand me?
Leave my house. You don't...
You okay? Is everyone's house okay?
What? Everyone's okay. What do you want?
My name is Harry Dresden, motherfucker. Open the door. This is my...
What?
My name is motherfucker, and this is my hood.
I don't know you.
Neighbor.
I don't know who you are.
I will fuck my mother now.
Bro.
Do you understand me?
What?
I will fuck you.
Bro. What do you mean?
I don't know, I just figured I'd fuck you. Can you open the door, please?
What? Bro, what do you want? What?
The door, please.
Yeah, I live there.
Open the door.
Yeah.
Open the fucking door.
What? Bro. I don't know what you want, man. Hello?
Can you open this door, please?
Yeah. Hello?
Are you okay?
What do you mean?
I just want to make sure that you okay.
Yeah, you belong to this neighborhood.
My name is Harry Dresden, motherfucker.
I don't know who you are.
This is Harry Dresden, motherfucker.
Hello?
Open the fucking door. No.
Yeah.
Or I will fucking fuck you.
What do you mean?
My name is Door. This is Door.
What do you mean?
Or I will fucking fuck the door. Door. Oh, door. Door. Can you open this door, please? Can you open this door, please? I just want to... I don't know, I just... Are you okay?
是什么？
This is my neighborhood.
От имени по поручению нашего политбюро.
I have bigger eyebrows than you.
Motherfucker. Mother. Do you understand me? Open this door.
Please!
Fucking door. No. Wow.
Stick 'em up.
Or I will fuck you.
В боевой и политической
I just want a door.
солдаты и матросы.
Number 9. Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
Днем Советской Армии.
Hi there, can you open this door, please?
For what?
Checked on something?
I don't know what you want now. Get out of my house. Get out of my house. Get out of my house.
Fucking door! No! Fucking door! Door! Where's your daughter, man? Where's your daughter, man?
Talking about?
Where's your daughter? What's that with you?
Bro, if you don't
Open this
leave,
fucking door. Oh, this one breaking fucking down. I'm breaking fucking down. You understand me? You understand me?
Me in the ass.
Are you that outsider? Well, sorry, but I don't want anything to do with you. Trot along, will ya?
My name is Harry Dresden, motherfucker. Open the door. This is my neighborhood. Open the fucking door.
I don't reckon you're from round here. Well, stuck outside on a night of the hunt.
No, or I will fucking end you. Do you understand me?
Lads, you've come on. You'd open the door on a night of the hunt. Away with you. Now.
hello?
Dagoth welcomes you.
For what?
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor, come.
What do you mean?
Why have you come unprepared?
I don't know what you want, man. Get out of my house.
Damn. Persistent, aren't you? You are a stubborn thing, Nerevar.
Bro, if you don't leave...
Fool! What a fool you are. I'm a god.
Leave my house. You don't...
Come, lay down your weapons.
What? Everyone's okay. What do you want? Can you leave my house, please?
It is not too late for my mercy.
You have nothing to do with my house. Can you leave my house? I don't know who you are. You don't belong in this neighborhood.
Oh, please, Nerevar, spare me.
Yeah, I live there. I don't know you.
I'm a god. Is this how you honor the sixth house and the tribe unmourned? Oh, dear me. Forgive me, but I am enjoying this. Farewell, sweet Nerevar. Better luck on your next incarnation. Omnipotent, omniscient, sovereign, immutable. How sweet it is to be a god. This is getting tiresome. This is taking too long. Come on! I surrender! I surrender!
Hey! Oi. Taxi! Bug? Are? Bug? おととい来なさい。
What are those Neanderthals up to? Don't they know I'm busy spoiling myself?
Hi there, can you open this door, please?
Get out! You're still there, aren't you?
My name is Harry Dresden, motherfucker. Open the door. This is my neighborhood. Open the fucking door.
I'm busy spoiling myself.
No. Or I will fucking end you. Do you understand me?
I will never...
This isn't the chump.
Where the fuck is she? Huh? Victor, you around? You fucking try me, I swear to God I'll fucking kill you. Do you understand me?
Every fiber of my being, get out of my house!
And you are what?
My name is Harry Dresden, Open the door. This is my neighborhood.
Is this a robbery? Because the lady across the hall has way better stuff.
Open the door. No.
Is this some kind of dream?
Or I will end you. Do you understand me?
What kind of power?
I just want to make sure that everything's okay. There seems to be something going on.
What?
I don't know. I just figured I'd check on something.
I
My name is Door.
know what you want, man. Get out of my house.
Open this door. I'm breaking into here. I was in. My name is motherfucker.
Yes. Password?
I just want to make sure that everything's okay. There seems to be something going on.
Yes. Password?
Open this door. I'm breaking it fucking down. You understand
Too
me?
sick. Come back later. Yes. Password?
My name is Harry Dresden, motherfucker. Open the door. This is my neighborhood. Open the fucking door.
The buzzer doesn't seem to be working. Yes. Password?
What?
Hi there, can you open this door, please?
What? Who do you think you are, buster?
My name is Harry Dresden, motherfucker. Open the door. This is my neighborhood. Open the fucking door.
Need a lesson, loser? Get out of here!
No. Or I will fucking end you. Do you understand me?
No! What? Hey, stop it! All right.
Where the fuck is she?
What?
Victor, you around? Huh? You like raping them girls, bitch? Huh?
Hey, stupid! Get the fuck out of here!
You think you can fucking stop me, motherfucker?
I'm a Wario.
Look at my Wario scheme!
Bomb has been planted.
Fine!
For what? I mean, no.
Can you open this door, please?
What? Need
I just want to... Fuck your daughter, man!
what do you?
I don't know.
I don't know what you want, man. Get out of my house.
Open this fucking... Where's your daughter,
What are
man?
you talking about?
Daughter. Who's in there with you? No. I will fucking... Fuck your daughter, man! Understand you under me. My neighborhood. My door.
I live. You are not. I don't know.
Fucking my neighborhood. Door. 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 This is my.
Oh.
Hi there, can you fuck my mother, please?
For what?
Is the door okay?
Yeah. What do you want?
I just want to fuck this door with you. You understand me?
I don't know you.
My name is Door. Fucker, open the door. This is my door. I will fuck the door. I will fucking fuck the door. And you will fuck this door with me. Hey, you. Wow.
Can you leave my house, please?
Okay. Fucking door! Fucking door! Open this fucking hide. You understand me? Door. Fucking ninja. Where's your fucking door? Figured I'd fuck you. Figured I'd fuck your door. Do you understand me? Do you fucking this door, motherfucker? Understand? It's your no motherfucker. Right. Do you understand me? Where's your dog? Where's your dog? Where's your dog?
Hello?
Check in.
Who are you? Weren't you supposed to be in the test chamber?
Where is Freeman? I will move in.
My God, what are you doing?
Are you okay?
Why are you asking me? Go away. It appears that you need medical attention right away.
I am Private Harry. Let me in. This is my post.
I don't think so.
No.
My goodness! Stop attacking! Ah!
Let me in. Let's meet in.
I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in.
Where's your daughter, man? Open the door. This is my neighborhood.
Hello?
Where's your daughter, man?
What are you talking about?
No. Hello, can you open the door, please?
For what? I don't know who you are.
My name is Harry. Daughter fucker. Open this door, I'm breaking it down. You understand me? Do you understand me?
No.
Do you understand me? Where's your daughter, man?
What are you talking about?
Leave my house.
Oh, okay.
My name is Harry Dresden, motherfucker. Open the door. This is my neighborhood. Open the fucking door. Now, or I will fucking end you. Do you understand me? My name is Harry Dresden, motherfucker. Do you understand me? Stack up on the right. I'm good to go.
Locked.
My name is Harry Dresden, motherfucker.
You gotta be kidding me. Is this a joke or something? This shit isn't funny.
Open the door. This is my neighborhood. Open the fucking door.
No! I'm refusing. I refuse. Fuck you.
Now, or I will fucking end you. Do you understand me?
No, 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 no! No, 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 no! Can we just talk about this? Don't hurt me!
Bravo!
My name is Harry Dresden, motherfucker. Open the door. This is my neighborhood.
Open the fucking door. Now, or I will fucking end you. My name is Harry Dresden, motherfucker.
Okay.
Open the door.
No.
This is my neighborhood.
No.
Open the fucking door.
I don't think so.
If there were stricter gun laws, this sort of thing wouldn't happen. I'm bored already.
No.
Not a chance.
I will fucking end you.
Shut up, moron.
Do you understand me?
Only my weapon understands me. Come on, hurry up. I know you got minorities to oppress.
Don't these people have jobs? I need to take a piss. Gee, I hope nobody is taping this. Oh, this is gonna be an expensive repair job.
My name is Harry Dresden, motherfucker. Open the door. This is my neighborhood. Open the fucking door. Now, or I will end you. Do you understand me? My name is Harry Dresden, motherfucker. Open the door. This is my neighborhood. Open the fucking door. Now, or I will fucking end you. Do you understand me? Hi there, can you open this door, please?
Go away, I'm not home.
Open this door, I'm breaking it fucking down. You understand me?
No!
This is my neighborhood. Open the fucking door.
This is a recording. Watch this. Leave a message. Beep. Okay.
My name is Harry Dresden, motherfucker.
Oh boy! I get to go first.
Let me guess, Tiny. A small salad?
My name is Harry Dresden, motherfucker. Open the door. This is my neighborhood.
What?
Who the fuck is this asshole?
Whoa.
I just want to make sure that everything's okay.
Get out of my house.
Open this fucking door. My name is
Walter Hartwell White.
This is my neighborhood, though. My name is Harry Dresden, motherfucker. Open the door. This is... Open the fucking door. Or I will in... Or I will fuck you. Now.
This is Sparta!